Let's do a garden update. So my peppers all look good and tall except for some of that. I don't know what that is, but it's only really on my bell peppers. So can you believe how tall they've gotten? My Chinese 5-color pepper plants are starting to put out yellow ones. We have a yellow one down there that's super cute, super exciting. Also, this pot that used to have my lettuce, I put flowers in there, and in this pot, I think I also put flowers. That used to be my carrots. My blackberry bush is bushin', except for it's getting eaten by something. I want to blame the ants, but I'm not sure. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I'm also pretty sure the birds are eating my blackberries because the minute they get ripe, the next day they'll be gone or half eaten or just a mess. I don't know, kind of sucks that this blackberry plant is giving me so much grief. Well, it's not its fault it's getting eaten, but you know what I mean. My violas are dead. My black-eyed Susans are still thriving. Our dahlias are really doing okay. We're starting to get these pink ones. So I mean that one's pretty, but for the most part they all come out like looking like they've been through it. My cosmos are recovering from that huge chop that I gave them. They're barely starting to put out some more flowers. I love the ones with really intricate petals. My zinnias are doing well. I think it's funny that they're like all red and yellow now after I harvested all the pink and all the purples. I have no oranges, but they're all red and yellow. Very Ronald McDonald, very ketchup and mustard. If you guys don't know, I ripped out my zucchini and my cucumber plants because they weren't doing well, and I replanted the zucchini and cucumbers. Y'all, this is what I'm most excited to show you. Look at my sunflowers. That one is shooting for the stars, and my Goldie honey bear is making an appearance. I love her already.